You're here with the Mouse Vibes, and we're back at Universal Studios Hollywood to check out news, park levels, and mask mandate. Today I'm joined by my two guests. This is my dad. You can call him Dad.
Hey, Dad!
And my little brother Matthew from the Six Flags video. We're about to have some fun. Let's go.
Let's do this!
Okay guys, we're back at Universal Studios today. My dad hasn't been to Universal in like 5 years, so we're about to show him all the new rides, Jurassic World, and show him what he's really missing in 2021. You ready to do this, Dad?
Let's do this! Yes! I am ready. Mask on.
Yep.
Let's go.
Dad's masking up. You gotta remember, right now in Los Angeles County, it's mandatory to wear a mask indoors. So that's pretty much every restaurant and every ride here at Universal Studios, so we're gonna be wearing a mask. Okay, we've made our way down to the lower lot to hit down all the biggest rides. We're gonna try to get on Jurassic World first, but this is something I've never seen. The park just opened 30 minutes ago, and this line for Jurassic World is out the door. This is gonna be insane. We're getting on our first ride right now, Jurassic World.
Yeah. Looking good.
What's the hold up here, man?
You!
Oh, dang it.
Hey, you're in the hold up here.
This is the longest I've ever seen this line. It was broken down for a little bit, we just found out, so maybe this should go quickly. Fingers crossed. Okay, this line is actually moving really quick. We're getting through the main queue right now, and it's only been a couple minutes. Hopefully this continues. Yeah! Actually went by really quick. We were only in line for a total of 11 minutes. Who would have thought? It was not bad, it was not bad.
I like it. 11?
We're good. All right, it's Dad and Matthew's first time on Jurassic World. I think we should sit front row. Front row, Pops, you ready for this?
I don't know. I'm a little scared.
I don't know. Yeah. You want to sit in between Dad and I? Yeah. All right, first ride of the day, Jurassic World. We got the Roll Boys front row. Let's go.
Hat, check. Glasses, check. Ready.
Ready, Freddy?
Yes.
Woo!
Oh, that was cool. That was good.
Awesome! Totally didn't get wet. No one got wet up here.
Oh no, we didn't get wet at all.
Look at your glasses.
It's just really hot. I'm sweating.
I'm drenched. Front row is a treat on that ride. First ride done, Jurassic World. Let's get on another one. I think it's time to get on a roller coaster. Let's go check out the Mummy. What do you guys think?
Yeah, let's see the money.
Mummy. Also, if you guys are coming to Universal Studios, you want to know if the bars are open at 10 a.m., they sure are. Another little interesting fact, if you're coming here and you want a coffee at 10 a.m., Starbucks is not open, but Isla Nublar is. We're gonna opt out for lattes and do a pina colada. Let's go.
Let's do that.
I know we said we were going to Mummies, but we're walking to Transformers. Dad's on a mission right now. We can hit this.
Yeah.
We can hit this real quick.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, you guys look awesome. Let me see one more time.
Oh yeah, I think this is it now.
Let's do some Transformer stuff.
Your planet belongs to me.
Take cover.
All right, we're crushing rides. We've gotten on 2 rides in like 30 minutes. What did you guys think of that one?
Oh, I like it.
That was the one?
Special effects, unbelievable.
Special effects master Dad is just like all about it. He loves it. What did you think, Matt?
It was good. It was good. It was
Unexpected.
very, very close up.
Very close up, very 3D. All right, we're gonna hop on the Mummy here, finish out the lower lot really quick. We're gonna do everything in less than an hour in the lower lot. just like that, we just finished the lower lot in 45 minutes. What did you guys think of the Mummy?
Oh, fast.
Gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast.
I couldn't see anything. I didn't like it.
Yeah, super dark, but guys, the lines here are a little bit long. Don't be detoured by it. Like, honestly, they move super quick. They look exhausting, but they're not. See, Tetris, you're not the only one who likes to get it on the stairs. All right, Dad, you ready to become a wizard?
Yes.
He's ready. Not only are we going to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, we're gonna get on the Forbidden Journey as our first ride. Face coverings are required here, even if you're a wizard. So we're gonna pop those on as soon as we get on the ride. The Wizarding World is always busy, especially in the morning. People are lined up for Ollivanders. The posted wait time right now for the Forbidden Journey is 40 minutes. We're gonna see if we can get it in the next 20. Hopefully it goes by quick. We got Hogwarts in sight. Welcome to Harry Potter. We're currently in the outdoor queue right now. This is something I haven't experienced in quite some time. Matt was just telling me something though.
I've never been out here. I didn't know this was a thing. Thought this was just open land.
I didn't know this was actually a line.
It's a line, and it might be a bad sign that we're gonna be waiting for a little bit, but it's all worth it because we're going to Harry Potter. Okay, this is the furthest I've been in the woods waiting for the Forbidden Journey. Matthew came up with a great idea that they're limiting capacity indoor for the queue line, so we're waiting outside.
Patiently.
We're catching a tan right now. Matthew's gonna be the most tan in like 10 minutes. On a plus side of waiting in line, they have these sweet fans everywhere. Make sure you're cool, and the whole thing is shaded for the most part. So if you have to wait outdoors, it's actually kind of pleasant. Okay, after the shortest 40-minute wait in the forest ever, we're on our way to do Forbidden Journey. I'm not sure what the holdup is. We're gonna find out right when we get inside. All right, we crushed it. Crushed Harry Potter. That was a firm 16-minute wait. Wow, I don't understand why it was so long, but we did realize 40 minutes of that wait was just to secure your bag in a locker. If you want a little bit of hack, we're gonna call it the Matthew Roa hack. Enter through the gift shop, go right to the locker, put your stuff in and get in line. It was only 20 minutes after that. Dad, what'd you think?
Magical.
Magical.
It was good. It was good.
We got a magical and a good. That's really good. That's like 4 vibes.
Give it a 4.
4 vibes, see? 4 vibes. All right, we're gonna probably snake some lunch right now. It is 11:57,
Oh, yeah,
which means
lunchtime.
lunch o'clock. Let's get some lunch. The Wizarding World is super packed right now at noon. We're gonna head over to Krusty Burger, get some basic lunch, burger, fries.
Maybe a Duff beer.
All right, Dad guy's first bite of his Krusty Burger.
I almost broke a tooth.
That's how you know you're Krusties.
I give it a 3.
3 vibes?
3 vibes.
Maybe like 3. I'm gonna go 3. Yeah.
So the Roa boys are really basic. We all got Krusty Burgers with everything on it. 3 number ones, please. Just like when we're at In-N-Out. I love a Krusty Burger. I have my first bite.
1 bite only. Everybody knows the rules.
I mean, it's pretty good besides the dryness. The dryness really takes it down a notch. I'm gonna go even lower. I'm gonna leave it at 2.5. Also, we got the Angel City beer. Ooh, that's like a harsh IPA. Wasn't expecting that. Whew. 4 vibes. That put a hair on my chest.
Oh yeah, strong.
3.5.
Too strong for me.
All right, we just finished Krusty Burger. That hit the spot. I think it's time to digest and sit on the world famous studio tram tour.
Go for a little walk.
Are you ready to do this, Matt? You're on the edge.
I'm ready.
Are you ready to go Fast and the Furious?
I'm ready.
King Kong.
I'm ready.
Okay. Dad, how do you feel about everything?
I'm scared.
I knew it!
World's largest and most intense 3D experience.
We survived, Dad. We got out of there barely.
Was projected
Oh, man.
onto 2 of the world's
You like
largest
that?
digital 3D
Oh, yeah, that was cool.
Standing
That
over
was-
40 feet
King
tall
Kong-
and
King Kong was the
180
man.
feet long.
Yeah.
Take care of business.
Created on the
We're sardine.
2005
Look at this
King
kid.
Kong feature film.
And on the right, look out.
Got us. Okay, we just finished off the studio tram tour. Dad was geeking out about all the 3D. What was your favorite part of it?
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious. Dad, I told you, he wants to be in the franchise really bad, him and Tyrese. What was yours, Matt?
Fast and Furious, for sure.
What do you think about the technology of like it not really going anywhere, but just kind of moving up and down?
First, I didn't realize I wasn't moving.
Yes.
You gotta be standing still because everything's going by so fast. This tram doesn't go that fast.
No, definitely not. That's so
we're
good.
going as fast as Toretto.
That's because we're family. Family's forever.
Oh.
Recharging right now, Starbucks for the win. That was the biggest line so far. We got the New York hecklers back. I love these guys. Hello.
Who's here? It's Hawaiian Hank.
Hey.
Hawaiian Hank, how you doing?
How are you?
Shaka Brana, good to see you.
Good seeing you.
Pizza,
It's all delicious.
It is delicious. You are Ohana.
You gotta come over later, cousin Trudy's gonna be here.
I'm there. Dad came in clutch with the coffee. The boys needed coffee to recharge. But it's about mid-afternoon and Universal Studios is busy. If you want to get on most of everything, you need to get here early. We knocked out the 3 biggest rides in the first like 45 minutes. It's busy right now. We have a virtual queue for Secret Life of Pets. We're trying to go see WaterWorld at like 4:30. And then from there, we're pretty much done. We're just hanging out. Coffee and us, we're ready to go. Minions ride right now?
Minions it is.
I think we're all about to become Minions.
Oh, excellent.
All right, we're making a quick pit stop right here next to Mel's Diner and giving you a little Halloween Horror Night update. Just the other day, Halloween Horror Nights was confirmed. Tickets have been released and we got official news that this is gonna be The Bride of Frankenstein Lives. The facade looks awesome. Make sure to go grab your tickets for Universal Halloween Horror Night online right now. I cannot wait for this. Mouse Vibes will be their opening night, so come say hello and get scared.
Dang it. He's quick.
Dude, he was fast. He knew that we were lurking.
You saw that.
He gave you no kind of...
We're crushing it. We're totally Minions now. Yeah, look at those dudes. Go, Matt. Get it. We're crushing it so hard right now. Minions, 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 Minions. Wow, that was awesome. That ride you were not allowed to film in, but you have a sweet dance party. Dad, Matt, you guys are Minions. How do you feel?
Feel great. That was a feel-good ride.
We pretty much conquered the whole park. We really just have WaterWorld and Secret Life of Pets, so we're gonna go smash those out. All right, it's definitely busy today. We were able to secure a virtual queue for Secret Life of Pets. We're walking up to it right now, and it looks like it's closed. Dang it, super closed. We were able to get a little bit of information for the cast member, Ben. He let us know that since Secret Life of Pets is currently down, our virtual queue is good for any point in the day. So as soon as they're open, we can go back and get on the ride. Okay, Dad pulled the biggest flex of all time. We stopped at Cocina Cucamonga to get some refreshments.
Yeah.
And look at this margarita he got.
It looks insane. Oh, let's see, 4.5 vibes.
Yeah!
4.5 vibes it is.
I mean, look at the decoration. You look great. The presentation's phenomenal.
Unbelievable. After a day with this heat, this hits the spot.
Honestly, you look like the toughest guy in town with that drink right now. You look awesome.
Oh, no. Now I do.
We're queuing up for WaterWorld, the best show here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We got our refreshments in hand. Boom, boom. Look at that margarita.
Oh, it's still going.
We're gonna go try to catch the Mariner and help him out and all that stuff. This is the current situation. We're waiting for WaterWorld. There's been delays pretty much on every attraction, everything we've gone on today. Something's either broken down or there's a delay. Be patient if you're coming here. The show's definitely worth it. All right, a little delay. We're moving, we're grooving. There's no more margaritas, but we're ready to enjoy this. right, we just wrapped up over at WaterWorld. That stunt show was awesome. Dad was getting excited. He was trying to help out the Mariner the whole time. I was like, you gotta stay in the fish tank, Dad. Yeah,
Fun and exciting.
fun and exciting. Good way to cool down here if you're waiting in line all day. Watch the WaterWorld show. You hang out in the shade, sit down for a bit. Awesome. All right, Secret Life of Pets is still down. It's been down since 3:30. We had a virtual queue at 3:45. It's been almost 2 hours. You know, I think we might call it as far as rides for the day and say that's a wrap. All right, and that's gonna wrap up our day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We had the best day ever. Showed you all the newest park updates. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. It really helps us grow. And if not, thanks for stopping by.